Food Doc here, and today I have a special treat for you all. I have my dietetic intern here, Miss Felicia McLean, and today she's going to demonstrate some Skillet Chicken Bruschetta, which is a very anti-inflammatory dish. So I'm gonna let Felicia take it away.
Hey everyone, so I've already prepared tomatoes, shallots, garlic, olive oil, and basil, and these are all anti-inflammatory contributors. We also have some chicken cutlets that are already cut thin, which are a good source of protein, and some mozzarella cheese. So we already have the olive oil cooking in the background, so I'm just going to add the chicken to that. The chicken was only seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay, so after you have flipped the chicken on both sides and it's almost done cooking, you're going to add 1 slice of mozzarella cheese per chicken. The mozzarella cheese also serves as a good source of protein. And then you're just going to cover it for a few minutes and let it melt. And then you want to check your temperature to make sure that the internal temperature of the chicken has reached 165. No less.
Really tasty.
And now after our chicken is done and our cheese is melted, we're going to cover the chicken with our tomatoes.
Yeah.
And once again, this is a combination of tomatoes, shallots, garlic, basil, and olive oil. Okay,
There
good.
you go.
Let's use the rest of the sauce, that's fine. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
This is my favorite part of the meal. Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Very good. Very good.